Sun was scorching, heat haze shimmered high. Thought the day would never end beneath that burning sky. Then the clouds rolled in, a rumble in the breeze. Suddenly you held my hand, whispering through the trees. Raindrops falling, painting on the street. The world turned quiet, just the rhythm of your heartbeat. Every drop a tiny kiss, a secret whispered low. Summer rain, a chance to tell you all I didn't know. Underneath the summer shower, love begins to bloom. Ukulele strums a melody, chasing away the gloom. Your eyes shine brighter than the lightning's fleeting spark. With every drop that falls, my feelings leave their mark. Streetlights flickered, casting dancing beams. Raindrops dance upon your hair, a world within our dreams. Sharing laughter, a shared umbrella's hold. This summer rain, a story yet untold. Raindrops falling, painting on the street. The world turned quiet, just the rhythm of your heartbeat. Every drop a tiny kiss, a secret whispered low. Summer rain, a chance to tell you all I didn't know. Underneath the summer shower, love begins to bloom. Ukulele strums a melody, chasing away the gloom. Your eyes shine brighter than the lightning's fleeting spark. With every drop that falls, my feelings leave their mark. Maybe it's the rain, or maybe it's your smile, but something shifted in this moment for just a little while. The world feels brighter, washed in shades of blue. Summer rain, a chance for me to fall for you. Underneath this summer shower, love begins to bloom. Ukulele strums a melody, chasing away the gloom. Your eyes shine brighter than the lightning's fleeting spark. With every drop that falls, my feelings leave their mark. Raindrops fade, a gentle breeze, stars begin to heat. Summer rain, a sweet release, a love I long to keep. Holding you close beneath the summer sky, hoping this feeling like the rain will never say goodbye. A gentle breeze, the stars begin to heat. Summer rain, sweet release, a love I long to keep. Holding you close beneath the summer sky, hoping this feeling like the rain will never say goodbye.